Hey guys, Jeffrey Bittner here. I wanted to shoot a quick video on the Powered by CINC platform. Today we're going to be talking about sources and how you can use those to help you organize the leads that you generate with the Powered by CINC platform. And so I'm over here, I'm at my site. You can just go to the front end of your site. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to do a search. And so I'm going to come in here and I'm going to do Scottsdale. And I'm going to click Scottsdale here. And so this is going to produce a list of homes for me. Now, once I come up with this list, I'm going to be able to adjust it as much as I'd like. I can come in here and I can add some filters. I can say, you know what, I only want condos in Scottsdale with a, maybe we want 3+ beds, right? Or 2+ beds if it's a condo. And we can come in here and we can apply the filter, and this list is going to generate for us, right? So we have a list of homes in Scottsdale that we want to come and promote, okay? Now, what sources allow us to do is it allows us to add some tracking so that if we go promote this on Facebook with advertising, with Google AdWords and our garage sale groups, we can know where those leads have come from. And all we have to do is we have to add a little bit of what we call source code to the end of our link here, okay? And so we've got this link. Again, it's nice and long. And the first thing you're going to look for is a question mark, okay? If you have a question mark in the link already, this becomes really simple. All we're going to do is we're going to go to the end, and we're going to add an and sign, and we're going to do SRC for source, so and sign SRC, and I'm going to do the equals, and we can add in here whatever we want this source to be, right? So I can do Scottsdale condo FB for Facebook, okay? So and SRC equals Scottsdale condo FB. Now this link is ready to promote, so I can copy this. And we're actually going to do a test lead on it real quick. So I'm going to open up a new incognito window here so it doesn't show me as signed in. I'm going to visit this link. You can see here this loads. It takes us to a page of Scottsdale condos, that exact page we were looking at. Again, you'll see here at the end the and SRC, which again is source, equals Scottsdale condo FB is still there, which is perfect. Now let's assume I'm a buyer. I see one of these properties that I like. This looks good. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to end up ultimately registering. So I come in here and I enter my name, and it's Joe Jack. 555-456-2345 is my phone number. Oh, I messed that up. joejack@gmail.com. It's going to load for us. We're going to answer some questions. I'll pick another one here. I'm going to hit no thanks here. Okay. So we've now registered as a lead. It says you all ready to go, Joe, and it says Joe Jack. Okay. Now for the agent, let's see now what this lead looks like in the back end of our system, right? So I'm going to minimize this window. I'm going to scroll up. I'm actually already logged in here, so I'm going to go to my dashboard, and I'm going to head over to my leads section. It's going to load for me, and we're going to click on leads. There we go. So you can see here we've got Joe Jack. Joe Jack appears, we got our email address, we got the phone number, but the one thing you'll notice is the source says Scottsdale Condo FB. And if we were to actually click this lead and open it up for us, and we scroll down, there we go, registered 2 minutes ago from Scottsdale Condo FB. So this allows you to actually keep track of where your leads are coming from. What I really like about this is this feature in combination with the filters. We can actually come in here and I can go filters and I can create a filter with a source. So I can click source. There we go. I'm going to select my source. Oh, if I could spell, Scottsdale Condo FB. There we go. I can hit apply. And now it's only going to show me leads that meet the search criteria. So if we actually close this, right, we only have one lead that was generated from that source. And I can actually come in here and I can save this filter and I can say Scottsdale Condo Facebook advertising. Okay, and I can hit save, and now this is going to appear in my saved filters, Scottsdale Condo Facebook advertising, right? So again, guys, what this is really useful for is if you're using something like squeeze pages in conversion or something along those lines, right? We can do very similar stuff, if not more advanced stuff, because we can use the filters not only on the front end of the site when we're searching like a consumer, we actually use these filters here in the back end, right? We can have that one filter, that one advertisement. We can actually have several different saved filters, right? We could run that same ad in Phoenix or in a different city, right? Or in a different price ratio, right? And so we've got a number of different options there. So I really like the sources. Again, if you're doing advertising, Google AdWords, Facebook ads, use this to help track where your leads have come from. And you can keep them all nice, neat, and organized with the save filters and the filters. And you can at least know what advertising is working and what's not. Okay. Now, the one thing I did say in the very, very, very beginning, and we'll put this in the notes section of this Expressway course, is we talked about this link. Actually, I'll back up here. We talked about this link having an and symbol. If it doesn't already have an and symbol, so this one does, so we don't need to add it. If it doesn't have an and symbol, then this would actually change a little bit, right? So instead of it being and SRC, it would be / $SRC. Okay, and it would be that same exact thing. This is only if the URL doesn't have a question mark in here already. Again, this one does. You can see in the very beginning, search, ACL, city. So again, use the sources, guys. Take advantage of this for your advertising, for your marketing. Know where your money's being spent and what's generating the best leads. What's the most bang for your buck time-wise. Let me know if this video was useful. And as always, guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to support@exprealty.com.